Sanbonani, football lovers. Sometimes some games you need to understand Guti. We have to sacrifice ourselves in order to secure a win. Meaning, we should let the other team play while we win. Because number one, there were external forces that didn't allow us to play our usual game. Johnny, Babu cool. So it was draining for some players. It was even difficult to thread a few passes, especially ground passes. So that's why you see at some point you'll see Izamba nabo trying ukuthi shaya in ama long balls because they see ukuthi le kudlala phansi angeke basebenzele ngalutho. But one thing that we should give credit to, I always stress this thing, our defense has been resolute for us this season. Our goalkeeper, that's what makes Kaizer Chiefs to get these 1-0 wins, because they always say good, the championships are being won by defenders, not strikers. You score one goal, we are meshong, but the defense was working tirelessly, making sure good, there's nothing that goes in their goalpost, including Brendan Peterson. It wasn't an easy game to play, especially away game, whereby you have pressure to win because you want to increase your chances of making it out of the group. So obviously you'll try by all means to make sure that everything is being done perfectly and it is precise. So we got an early goal. First 3 minutes we were leading. So that meant we needed to manage the game. That means we needed to make sure we are solid defensively, and we should allow Zambia to come at us, but make sure that we limit making our mistakes. It was good to see Miguel with Namshabe, even though he got that unnecessary yellow card. But I always say we need the aggression Miguel, because these African players, especially that participate in CAF Confederation, they are bullying our defenders. They are very strong. So if Uzoba Osisi, it becomes difficult, not unless you are a good read of the game. It was a good game from Eden McCarthy, made some few interceptions, made some good tackles that were very spot on, that were very timed, so that if there was just a mistake maybe penalty, but he made sure. But second half because we know him as being a good pass of the ball, but we got misplaced some passes, he wasn't himself, but the team understood we have to sacrifice ourselves if you want to win, including the second half subs. They understood that no, it doesn't mean we have to put pressure. It doesn't mean we have to attack more, but we should help the team with the off the ball movement. That's why you saw players like Abum Lilipo making a fouls, Batman trying by all means to be there. Guti Asmeti Sukmaka, touch Mabaso, Naungenile, Washama interceptions, but it was a difficult game because in terms of strength, he was nowhere to be found. They were able to but it was a game that everyone understood their task. We have to defend no matter what. Peterson made a crucial save lapana sekuzophela umdlalo that 1v1. Cishe nje bamkhahleli ikhanda ngaba sina goalkeeper sothembela kuye. But another clean sheet secured simply means that we move to the next game so idlala on Wednesday with the Marumo Gallants. But this showed ukuthi as a player, take your qualities and put them away. Focus on making sure that the team gets the help that it needs in order for it to win. That's what you need in players. One thing that was helping us, especially second half, is the pressure that we're putting constantly on them. We were defending with a mid block, whereby when they get the ball, is Zesco United. We push with the Silva, Umayo, and Vilakazi, and it was good to see Vilakazi at some point he does work hard in order to help the team off the ball. So it was good to see. Sometimes you need to sacrifice yourself, and then we could also use Undlovu, Maboy, including a player like who was playing with midfield, but they made sure that mid block is complete, because if they bypass the first line of defense, Mayo, Silva, including Vilakazi, they know Makulandela, there's Undlovu, there's Umaboy. So that showed ukuthi the team understood ukuthi okay, if you want to win we must do this. Also Umori lapha because he was also there, but today he wasn't coming back too much to help McCarthy defend because McCarthy was reading the game perfectly, so bekathole ichance ukuthi alokuya phambili. So we saw ukuthi umuntu awumncomi because uyamncoma kanti uyamosha. The game he played versus Arrows, it wasn't the game he played versus Izisco because there were other moments lapana. So I saw ukuthi if he could have released the ball early we could have got something, but the team won. That's what matters. But what I really like about our coaches is that sometimes their subs are spot on, sometimes they are not, because there were players that got in bongas with this game bengamdingi lapha because bebakhahlelile ku-read game. We needed a player that is gonna drop deep, assist or attack, especially isub like Shabalala. It was unnecessary, but for the fact that ukwazile ukungena wasiza la isiza khona akusabalulekanga kangako. But the important thing is that kuti if we play games like this we have to understand into ekhahlela ama teams amaningi. The games that you play locally and the games that you play intercontinental, they are different. If wena uzofuna ukudlala ibhola elimnandi khohlwa ke ukuthi uzowina, so you have to fight for scraps, you have to play ugly football so that you can be able to totally win. That's what Kaizer Chiefs did and they got that win. So sesu number 3 egroupini silingana neZamalek with 4 points. Hopeful ukuthi ngathi bangadliwa bona kule match yabo ezodlala, but it is commendable what the team did. Hopeful ukuthi we're still gonna get ama wins, we create more goals. Brendan Peterson oloku yakhuphuka nje ngama clean sheet because manje asabali wa ku league but sisobali overall. If siyabala ku league una 10 clean sheet versus ES Simba I2, sine clean sheet versus iKabuscorp A1 is 3. So it simply means plus nale namhlanje 4. Una 14 in all the games that he has played. So it simply means good him being vocal at the back and the defense being resolute. It helps us get away with our wins, even if it is difficult. So I don't know ukuthi kusasa liphetheni, but for now let's prepare for the next game. Danko, ikhosi aliphele umoya.